Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to reveal to you one of the items that I have seen a lot on Instagram. So if you're interested to know what item that is, just stay tuned. Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I do videos about luxury as well as contemporary items and from time to time some motherhood lifestyle. So if you're interested in those topics, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, so now I am going to show you what item I am talking about. This item actually, I think, was a trend since last year and is currently a trend. And to be honest, when I saw it, I was like, I went to the website to purchase it and it is sold out everywhere. On the online boutique as well as in different third-party boutiques, everything is sold out. I almost purchased it more than the retail price, but luckily I have been able to find it by chance at the boutique in Antwerp, and it wasn't even me who saw it. It was my husband. He was like, "Hey, look, isn't this what you're looking for?" And I was like, "Oh, yes, it is." And then we looked about the size, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, it's my size." So without further ado, I'm going to show you. So here it is. This is the boutique where we purchased it. The boutique's name is Monarch, and like I've mentioned, this boutique is situated in Antwerp. So while I'm talking, I'm going to unbox it. Like I've mentioned, we went to this boutique just, almost the closing time, and this boutique actually are selling different luxury brands, so luxury as well as contemporary brands, so it's a mix of different brands. And when we enter the boutique, at the end of the boutique, there's some ready to wear, and there are some shoes. Yes, once again, it is a pair of shoe, and that pair of shoe is this very hard to find, especially on my size, the one from dun, dun. I don't know if you read ADIDAS. I don't know if for those of you who are like me on Instagram and this thing pops up. For those of you who would like to guess, put your guess in the comment section down below. It would be fun to see what you think it is. But without further ado, I'm going to open it, and it's the the ADIDAS Samba in the OG, in the color white, black, and in the size, a very hard to find size, 36. I'm just going to show you the other pair. There you go. Here it is, the ADIDAS Samba that I am seeing everywhere on Instagram. I finally got my hands on them. Okay, so now I am just going to give you a few details about the item itself. So the ADIDAS Samba currently retails, if you buy it and if you'll be able to buy it in a normal retail price, it is 120 euros. And this one is in the color cloud white, core black, and clear granite. And like I've mentioned, this is the OG one because I think you will be able to see the difference. The vegan one it has the ADIDAS logo in green, and the OG one is in blue. And I really wanted the OG one because I'm afraid that the vegan one might be a lot harder for the faux leather because my husband has one vegan pair of shoes and it's not the same as the leather one, so that's why I wanted to have the OG if I will be able to find one, which is the case. So yeah, the Samba one has a regular feet. It has, as you can see, lace closure. It has a full grain leather upper in here with gritty suede around and gold foil details for the Samba name itself. It has a synthetic leather lining. It has a gum rubber cupsole, as you can see in here, and it also has a gum rubber midsole. And like I've mentioned, this one is in the color cloud white, core black in here for the Adidas logo, and a clear granite. So yeah, those are the details of the Adidas Samba. So just a quick short story. Like I have mentioned, I wasn't really eyeing this pair of shoes. I was like, okay, another Adidas shoe. I already have other shoes, a lot of sneakers and such. But this one always popping up, I don't know, on Instagram. And when I see those who have this pair and wear it with pants, with trousers, with shorts, with dresses and skirts, I was like, it looks nice. It's IG friendly. And when that idea arrived in my mind, I was like, I have to have it. And it was really very hard for me to be able to find one. But like I have mentioned, I think I got lucky and be able to find it in a shop here in Belgium, in Antwerp, like I've mentioned. They do have a website, so maybe if you're lucky enough like me, you can go check it out. It is monar.be. They also have a Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest account, so you can check it out. If you're lucky enough, maybe you'll have the size if this is still available and you would like one. So yeah, I have tried it. In general, my true to size is a 35.5, but mainly on sandals, espadrille, ballerinas, and such. But with sneakers, I tend to size up a bit, half a size ideally, because of course I'll be wearing socks and I know that my feet will, swell a bit. So that's why I tend to size up with sneakers. But of course, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So if I have the chance to try it at a boutique, I tend to try it first, like for my VEJAs, like for my Golden Goose. I have been able to try them first, and that's how I managed to get my VEJAs in a size 36. I think my Golden Goose, they are around, 36 as well. Weirdly enough, to be honest, all my sneakers are 36, even my Converse as well. So yeah, in general, I am a 36 overall in sneaker size, and 35.5 for all the other type of shoes at any brands. But like I've mentioned, if you have the opportunity, try them at the boutique. I think that's the best way to be sure. And I will wear it like the way I have seen it on Instagram. If you're interested to know how I style it, you can go and check it. Check my Instagram account. You'll be able to see how I will style it. And so nothing more to say. I will give you a further video in a few months' time once I have used it, what I think about them, if they are comfortable enough or what. Because for all I can see, as you can see in here, it doesn't move. It might need some breaking in. I don't know. I'll let you know my experience with it. So be sure to check that future video out. So there you go, guys. That was my quick unboxing reveal of the Adidas Samba. If you have any questions about this item and any comments, in short, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. If I can answer you back, I'll try my best. And apart from that, I hope that you like this video. If that's the case, please give it a thumbs up. And like I've mentioned earlier, if you're liking my videos and the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. That will really help my channel to grow. And apart from that, I hope to see you all on the next video, and take care until then. Bye.